So far we have made a very great progress, and in this lecture we will cover a circle part here. As you can see in the design, we need to complete this circle. Inside the circle we have the same colors, and for that we have already created our utilities: text, primary, secondary and tertiary. We are going to use the same utilities, and then we will for centering the text we will use the text center, which is here. As you can see here, we are using our classes again and again for every part. What I need is actually I want this to be text primary and text center, and for the main heading we will use the same properties, the same classes, but we need it to be uppercase, so we have utility class. Here I am adding text primary, text center and text uppercase. Then we will move to this one. We want advanced to be text secondary, text center and text uppercase, and we will use these properties here as well. And then for the last one we have text tertiary, text center and text uppercase. Right, so let's have a look to the browser. As you can see here, we have accomplished our design. Actually we forget here the subheading. Yes, the subheading will be text tertiary and text center. So yeah, it's cool. Now we need is to add the circle. So we have a circle here. We need to target this class in our CSS. This is a circle which I am talking about. So what I will do, I will add the height 10 rem, width 10 rem, and I want it to be circle, so I will do that 100%. It will circle the element. The circles are also in colors, so what we will do is to actually add the utility class for colors as well. Border primary and border secondary and border tertiary. So yeah, we have almost accomplished our goal. All we need is to center this text and center the circle as well. So for centering our circle, we will do our margin. I want top and bottom margin 2 rem, and from left and right I want to be auto, so it will center our circle. Yes, it looks nice. We need is to actually place this text in the middle of the circle. So what I will do is display flex, justify content center and align item center. We have finally created this section, and yes, the next one will be about designing the list. I think that's enough for this lecture. I will see you in the next one.